Can German Shepherds be trained for protection trials? German Shepherds, also known as Alsatians, are renowned for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. They are one of the most popular dog breeds in the world and are often used in various roles, including police work, search and rescue missions, and as service dogs. One area where German Shepherds truly excel is in protection trials. These trials test the dog's ability to protect its handler and property under controlled conditions, and German Shepherds are considered to be one of the best breeds for this task. To understand why German Shepherds are often chosen for protection trials, it's crucial to delve into their history and characteristics. The breed was originally developed in Germany in the late 19th century for herding sheep, hence the name. However, with the rise of industrialization, their herding capabilities were no longer in high demand. This led to a shift in their purpose, and they were increasingly used in police and military work due to their strength, intelligence, and trainability. One of the main reasons German Shepherds are well suited for protection trials is their natural instinct to protect and serve their human handlers. They have a deep sense of loyalty and are known to form strong bonds with their owners. Moreover, their protective nature makes them highly reliable and trustworthy when it comes to guarding property or people. This instinct can be enhanced through proper training and socialization. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and eager to please, making them ideal candidates for protection training. They have a remarkable ability to learn and understand complex commands and tasks. Their trainability, combined with their physical strength and agility, gives them a significant advantage in protection trials. This breed excels at tasks such as apprehending suspects, guarding locations, and detecting intruders. To train a German Shepherd for protection trials, it is essential to work with a professional dog trainer who specializes in this area. The training process requires patience, consistency, and a deep understanding of the breed's characteristics. It is crucial to establish a strong bond with the dog and to use positive reinforcement techniques to encourage desired behaviors. The training should focus on developing the dog's defensive instincts, teaching obedience commands, and building their confidence. Protection trials assess a dog's ability to respond to various situations, including simulated attacks or intrusions. German Shepherds are known for their calm and composed temperament, which enables them to react appropriately in high-stress situations. They have an inherent ability to assess threats and make split-second decisions, which is crucial for their role as protection dogs. When selecting a German Shepherd for protection training, it is vital to choose a dog with a sound temperament and genetic predisposition for the work. Responsible breeders focus on breeding German Shepherds with stable temperaments and health. They conduct relevant health tests and ensure that both the sire and dam have the necessary traits for protection work. By choosing a well-bred dog, you are laying the foundation for success in protection trials. It is worth mentioning that while German Shepherds have the potential to excel in protection trials, not every individual dog will possess the necessary skills or traits. Each dog is unique, and their success in protection training depends on their genetic makeup, temperament, and the training they receive. It is essential to understand and respect the limitations of each dog and to provide them with the support they need to succeed. In conclusion, German Shepherds are highly suitable for protection trials due to their natural protective instincts, intelligence, strength, and trainability. They have a rich history in police and military work, where their abilities have been extensively utilized. By working with a professional trainer and providing the necessary training and socialization, German Shepherds can excel in protection trials and prove their worth as loyal and dependable guardians.